For thousands of years, the deep ocean remained one of Earth's greatest mysteries. Hidden beneath miles of dark water, untouched by sunlight, it was a place few humans could reach and even fewer could explore. But today, a new race is underway. Governments, corporations, and scientists are turning their attention to the ocean floor in search of something incredibly valuable. Rare minerals. This is the hidden world of deep-sea mining. Imagine descending nearly 4,000 meters below the ocean's surface. The pressure is so intense that it could crush a submarine not built for these depths. The water is pitch black, and temperatures hover just above freezing. Yet scattered across the seafloor are strange, potato-sized rocks known as polymetallic nodules. They may look ordinary, but they contain metals that are essential for modern technology. These nodules are rich in nickel, cobalt, copper, and manganese. These materials are used in electric vehicle batteries, smartphones, wind turbines, and many other technologies that power our modern world. As demand for clean energy grows, so does the need for these valuable resources. For decades, mining companies have extracted metals from land. However, many land-based mines are becoming harder and more expensive to operate. Environmental concerns, political conflicts, and growing demand have encouraged industries to search for new sources. The deep ocean appears to offer a solution. One of the most important regions for deep-sea mining is the Clarion-Clipperton Zone. Stretching across the Pacific Ocean between Hawaii and Mexico, this vast area covers millions of square kilometers. Scientists estimate that it contains billions of tons of mineral-rich nodules resting on the seabed. To collect these minerals, companies are developing giant robotic machines. These machines crawl across the ocean floor, vacuuming up nodules and pumping them through long pipes to ships waiting above. The nodules are then processed to extract the valuable metals inside. Supporters of deep-sea mining argue that these resources are essential for the global transition to renewable energy. Electric cars require large amounts of battery materials. Wind farms and solar systems depend on metals that are becoming increasingly difficult to obtain. Without enough resources, the shift away from fossil fuels could slow down significantly. Some experts believe that deep-sea mining could reduce the environmental damage caused by traditional mining on land. Landmines often require forests to be cleared, rivers to be polluted, and communities to be displaced. Compared to these impacts, supporters claim that mining the ocean floor may be a better option. But not everyone agrees. The deep ocean is one of the least understood ecosystems on Earth. Scientists estimate that millions of species may still be undiscovered in these dark waters. Many creatures living there have adapted to extreme conditions and exist nowhere else on the planet. During research expeditions, scientists have discovered glowing jellyfish, transparent sea cucumbers, giant single-celled organisms, and strange fish with enormous teeth. Every year, new species continue to be found, yet many researchers worry that deep-sea mining could damage these fragile ecosystems before we even understand them. One major concern is sediment plumes. When mining machines disturb the seabed, they create large clouds of sediment that can spread for long distances. These clouds may smother marine life, block feeding mechanisms, and alter habitats that have remained stable for millions of years. Another concern is noise pollution. The deep ocean is normally a quiet environment. Mining operations could introduce constant noise from machinery, ships, and pumping systems. Scientists fear this may affect whales, dolphins, and other marine animals that rely on sound for communication and navigation. There is also the issue of habitat destruction. Unlike forests that can regrow over time, deep-sea ecosystems recover extremely slowly. Some nodules take millions of years to form. If they are removed, the habitat may never fully return within human timescales. As debates continue, international organizations are struggling to create regulations. The International Seabed Authority, often called the ISA, is responsible for managing mineral resources in international waters. Its decisions could shape the future of deep-sea mining for decades to come. Many countries support further exploration and testing. Others are calling for a pause or complete ban until more scientific research is conducted. Environmental groups argue that humanity rushes into exploiting a region we barely understand. The controversy has attracted worldwide attention. Some of the world's largest companies have pledged not to use minerals obtained through deep-sea mining until environmental concerns are properly addressed. At the same time, investors and mining firms continue to spend millions developing new technologies. The future remains uncertain. Deep-sea mining could provide critical materials needed for a cleaner energy future. It could reduce pressure on land-based mines and help support growing technological demands. But it could also cause irreversible damage to one of the last untouched environments on Earth. The question facing humanity is not simply whether we can mine the deep ocean. The real question is whether we should, as technology advances and demand for resources continues to rise. The hidden world beneath may soon become the center of one of the most important environmental debates of our time. The deep ocean has guarded its secrets for millions of years. Whether those secrets remain protected or become part of the next industrial revolution is a decision that could affect our planet for generations to come. And the answer is still being written at the bottom of the sea.